electrical upgrade per his request with a Victron system. But he has the M10 links distributor. There's 2 of those, and that is a DC bus that allows him to run the fuses for all of the systems, and then it also connects us to the battery BMS. We have that connection because he has 4 300 amp hour Victron lithium batteries. The lithium batteries from Victron have no BMS, or these specific batteries do not. He chose these batteries because if there's a lithium cell that goes bad, he can actually disassemble the battery, replace that lithium cell, and then be back to full charge. He has a Mabru 12-volt air conditioner that we installed for him, which took some upgraded wiring, which we did as well. We have 2-out wires for that. Then we have the Victron GX touchscreen, which is his display board inside the unit when he's not on the app. And then it's got the standard DC to DC charger. It's got 2 of those because of the system setup. The Multi Plus 2 is also installed. This allowed us to remove our standard progressive dynamic inverter and replace it with an AC-DC distribution box, also by Progressive Dynamics. And then that Multi Plus is also an inverter. So we had to accommodate for all these changes with such a large system that Victron offers. By doing that, we added this tower cabinet behind me, which actually shrunk his dinette. So now he has a 56-inch dinette versus a 75-inch. Cabinet, there is a vent at the top just to help with heat distribution. Inside, we do have a sea level 2 tank monitor for both his fresh water and the gray water. And then you'll see all of this neat and tidy cabling and wiring. So this big box on the side is the Multi Plus unit. And then we've got the distribution, the links distributor, top and bottom with the BMS in the middle. And then he's got his DC to DC chargers. And then the back side of the touch screen. This is that distribution panel from Progressive Dynamics. So inside here, we've got the fuses and the breakers, and everything is labeled. And then below him, we have another door that opens and allows him access to all 4 of those batteries. We have the touch screen display for the Victron system. You can swipe, change the levels, view it differently. The app has a lot more options on it. We changed the dinette, so he's got 2 28-inch, we call them boat seats, but 2 28-inch seats there, giving him the dinette with that swivel table leg. So he's excited. It should work well for him and his wife, and then their little golden doodle. So we have the standard cassette toilet that we use from Thetford. He actually requested that we take that unit out, leave the shower, and then instead install the Labio dry flush toilet. Just help him stay off grid a lot longer. He said he can put anything in this toilet. So in essence, when he's out long term, it works as a semi-garbage disposal. So he can put bones in it if he needs from food without putting that out in the outdoors to attract wild animals, which is a feature that they wanted because of where they plan to go. So here's the toilet for the Labio flush. It's got a plunger button in the back that works as the vacuum seal part of it. And then it's got the bags that store inside. It comes with 1 set of bags, but he did bring extra. So I'm not familiar with this dry flush toilet. This is the first one that we've worked with, but we did have to kind of change this cabinet a little bit, build a specific shelf for that to fit on. And then it still does have the inside shower as well. And then with it being a full wall in this particular unit, per his request, he has a cabinet above that has a door that he can put towels and stuff in. And then you'll notice the vent back there. He also requested an exhaust fan just to kind of help with the steam and stuff in the unit when they are using it. So that's got a push button inside that overhead cabinet. The unit that they wanted as far as custom was the change in the outside jack. So he requested that we use the Rico Titan, because there is a company that sells these aftermarket quick release brackets, so we can easily take these off, store them inside if they're in severe off-road, and then put them on again to still have access on. Here he also requested in white, as well as a longer awning on the side as well, which is 4.5 meters long. So you guys, every unique install we enjoy, every unique build we enjoy, and we're able to do that for you with customizing. We're always open to your thoughts and suggestions, so if there's something you want to know about or see if we can do, definitely reach out. You guys, every unique install we enjoy.